Hey, what's going on? My name is Wilkins, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time being here, basically, I'm an affiliate marketer, and what I do is I find these different products and programs across the internet, and I work these different programs. And once I start generating income with these programs, I bring it to the channel and I share it with you guys so that you can do the same exact thing. And in this particular training series, guys, I'm going to show you how you can take $6.25 a week and turn it into $2,500 per month online. So, if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, then stick around and check out this whole series because me and my business partner, Michael Day, who is a seven-figure earner, are going to teach you how to take that $6.25 per week and turn it into $2,500 per month in recurring passive income. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to my business partner, Michael, and we're going to get this thing rolling. Let's get started.
All right, what is going on? Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are here on the channel, do me a big favor. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you find the content inside this video useful, which you should, because we're going to show you guys a very simple process that we use to generate thousands of dollars per month from home with less than 30 minutes per day. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. So what you're looking at right now is the back office of a product we're going to show you guys how to promote. Now, this product only costs you $25 per month to get started. And as you can see, last month in the month of September, we actually ended up generating a little over $33,000 with this particular product. And if you look so far this month alone, which we're going to go from October 1st through October 11th of 2022 is where you're watching this video. If I click on that, you're actually going to see we already made close to almost $12,500 just so far in the first 11 days of this month. So we're actually going to show you in this video training series. There's going to be a few videos. There'll probably be around 3 to 5 videos, but we're going to show you because it's such a simple process to do that you can literally just follow this in 3 or 4 days, have your entire business set up and running, and then it runs around 30 minutes per day. That's all that is really needed to start generating an income with this business. So the first thing you're going to want to do to sign up for this business is you're going to go right here where it says it's all-in-one $25 business. There's going to be a link for this directly below this video, okay? And it's going to look just like this right over here. So let me go back to the top of this page. And you're going to land, when you go to below this video in the video description, there'll be the first link you're going to see. You're going to click on that link and it's going to take you to this page right here. This is where you'll go and sign up for your all-in-one $25 business. You're going to click, yes, I want this all-in-one $25 business. You're going to fill out your information, and I highly recommend you guys taking the premium for the first 2 weeks. Then if you guys want to continue with it, you can. But if not, then you're welcome to cancel after the first 2 weeks. And you're just going to click that little yes button right there. Now, that will give you access to what's called the HBA Premium, which will show you how to get traffic, free traffic, paid traffic, sales conversions, things like that. We are going to be covering a very good traffic source in this video, and the process we're following only takes you 15 to 30 minutes per day. But this will give you additional training if you want to up your game and actually generate even a higher income than what we're going to be showing you. You guys can jump on the premium and follow through with that training that's right there. But in the meantime, go ahead below this video, click that link. It's going to bring you to that page right there. Fill out your information. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be on a page that looks like this once you sign in. Check your email. You're going to get an email that will show you where to sign into your HBA account. And then you're going to come to the affiliate zone. Once you're here, there's a 4-step process or 4 videos that you're going to have to watch that will get you set up with your account. So that way, you'll get things like being able to get paid. You'll be able to set up your links, set up your SAM card. SAM card is free. It's just how they use to pay their affiliates and track your affiliate links. So what you're going to do is once you get that email that comes in, you're going to come over here to this affiliate zone, which is right here, okay? Come to the affiliate zone, and then you're going to have video number 1. Okay, this is video number 1 that you need to watch. Okay, that's going to show you how to set up the affiliate program, how to log into your SAM cart, which the SAM cart is this right over here. It's going to show you how to log in, and it's going to show you how to get your affiliate links, which are right here, so that way you will get paid with this process we're going to be showing you. Then come down, watch video number 2 here. Okay, come on down here. There's going to be 2 more videos. Okay, here's going to be video number 3. And here's going to be video number 4. And once you've watched all 4 videos, you are set up and ready to rock and roll. And you can continue on with the rest of the process that we're showing you here in this video. All right, so now link number 2 below this video is going to bring you over to a service that looks like this right here. Let me go to the service real quick. And we're going to do /MLGS. And it's going to bring you over to a page that looks just like this. There are 2 services that we're going to be using. This here is a lead generation service that goes out for you. They generate 100 leads every single day. And they do this without a website, without paid traffic. And it only costs you $1 per day. So what you're going to actually do is, let me remove that FTC disclaimer. You are going to click link number 2. You're going to come right down here where it says step 1, join the MLGS for only $1 per day. Once you do that, you're going to click that and sign up with your first account. Once you sign up with your first account, you'll end on a page that looks like this, but it'll automatically log you in, and I'm going to log into my first account. Now, my recommendation is to get a minimum of 2 accounts, 2 of these My Lead Gen Secrets accounts, okay? In the training that we're going to be showing you guys, we actually have 5 accounts in total that we are going to be using. Now, we always recommend to daisy chain your account. So basically, once you sign up with your first account from the link that is directly below this video, so there's going to be a link in the video description, all right? That's in the video description below this video. You are going to go and click the link that's down there. That's going to be link number 2, okay? This is going to be link in the video description number 2, all right? Once you do that, you'll sign up with your first account. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to grab this link right here, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate this for you. So you've already signed up for your first account. You are going to grab this link. You're going to copy it, okay? You are going to log out. Then you are going to paste this up here inside the address bar. And then once that little number shows up, you are going to click Use My Secret Now. Now, you'll have to create a separate email account. What I did is I went over to Gmail, right? So I created a Gmail account that looks like this. So I had 5 accounts, and I had I put mday social 01. Then I did 02, 03, 04, 05 to create my 5 accounts. My recommendation is at least to get 2 of these accounts, okay? We're using 5 of these inside of the training that we're going to be showing you guys here throughout this process. So once you have all either 2 or the 5 of your accounts signed up, you are ready to go. That's all that you have to do. So it's just that simple. I'll do a quick recap. Step number 1 is to click link number 1 below this video. It's going to bring you to the page to sign up for this product, which is these results over here that we're showing you. So this is the product we're going to be promoting, okay? Remember, the product is only $25 per month, okay? Then what we're going to be doing, because that's step 1, right? The video in the video description, hit link number 1. Then once you do that and you've went through the affiliate zone startup guides, which there's 4 videos, because you have to set this up so that way you'll have access to your SAM cart, so that way you can come down here in a second and get the links we're going to be needing for the rest of this training, okay? So make sure you follow these 4 videos before you move forward, okay? Once you do that, you will have all of your accounts set up. You'll be able to get paid. Everything will be ready to go. Then you're going to come back to this video and you're going to click link number 2 that's directly down below this video. You're going to start creating your accounts. You're going to use each account that you log in. So an example, account number 1, right? We use the link that's down here, okay? So account number 2, we are going to use this link over here from account number 1, okay? So basically you're going to be logged in. You're going to log into account number 1. You're going to come here, grab this link, and you're going to create account number 2, okay? Now the exact same process will repeat itself. So if you're wanting to create a 3rd account, you're going to log in to your 2nd account. So you'll log in to your 2nd account, grab your 2nd account's URL, and then you'll create your 3rd account using your 2nd account's link, okay? And the reason we're going to do this, okay, is because right down here, you see where it says leads right here? All right, well, you only start out with 100 leads per day, okay? But if you just introduce one person into this business, right? One person, they will give you 100 bonus leads. It doesn't matter if you introduce 1,000 people into this business, the maximum you're going to be able to get is 100 extra bonus leads. So that's why we're saying daisy chain these. So you're taking account 1, account 2, account 3, 4, right? You're just using the previous account's link. So that way you get this bonus leads because it's going to 2x your income. It's going to 2x your income because you will be able to get twice as many leads, twice as many eyeballs onto your actual leads itself. So that way you'll be able to make, additional money. So once you've done that, you're going to come here to the mailing system. All right. You're going to click select all. Okay. And you're going to come down here to the subject line. Okay. This is the subject or the heading. Now, what we're going to do is we like to keep everything congruent. Okay. So we're going to jump back over here to our actual product that we're promoting. And it says the world's first all-in-one $25 digital business is new, smart, fast way. Let's see. This is great. It's a great headline right here. Want to start getting $20 and $100 monthly commissions in as little as 24 hours. We're going to grab that. Okay. We're going to come back to our account, put that into the subject line, and monthly commissions in, since there's a limit there. So in 24 hours. All right. So that is going to be our subject line. Okay. And now we're walking you through the process. So remember, once you got your first account signed up, we are on account number 1 right now. Okay. We came over to the mailing system. We hit select all. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about this or this. And in the subject line, that's going to be the subject line that shows up, whenever you go to like Gmail or something like that, that subject that shows up first before you actually click the email, that is what we just filled in, okay? So now we got to go write the body of our actual paragraph. So we're going to highlight everything in here and we're going to remove it, delete everything out, okay? Then we're going to come over here and we are going to copy this right here because it's a great email there, and we're going to paste that in right here. We're going to select all. We will change this background color back to automatic white, and we'll make that black. We're going to set this to 16. We're going to do normal. Font will be Arial, and we're going to change this over to the left. Okay, so want to start getting $20 and $100 monthly commitment in 24 hours, and I'm going to hit enter right here without ever creating your own products or website, and even if it's your first day online. Press play now. All right, we'll hit press play now, and it's just this simple. To learn. Now let's make sure there's nothing else we can throw in here, just to be on the safe side. Let's say here, okay? That's perfect, actually. And we're gonna make it a very simple email for today, okay? And now you're gonna come back to tomorrow, and we're gonna have another, we'll have another video up for you in tomorrow here on the channel that you can come and watch, and we'll write the next email for you, and we'll actually show you the process. We're gonna go step by step throughout this entire video training series. So to press play now to learn how to start getting those $20 commissions as early as tomorrow morning. All right, talk soon, Michael. All right, so again, we're going to highlight this. We want this to be a 16 because 16 is a great font. Normal, we'll do the Arial and normal. All right, so now what we do is we're just going to put a little space right here, and we're going to highlight this press play now, okay? So remember how I told you had to have the SAM cart set up first? We're going to come over to the SAM cart now, and we're going to come down here to where it says all-in-one $25 business, and you're just going to hit this copy button right there, okay? Hit the copy button, come back to your mailing system, hit the little link, hit the V button, and click OK. Now you're going to click perfect timing, okay? And that's it. To learn, all right, let's go learn how to start getting those $20 commissions. I like it like that. Okay, $20 commissions. There we go. All right, so remember to pause the video real quick. Just write this on a sheet of paper. It's not very hard, or you can copy and paste just like I did. And remember to highlight the press play now. Then you're going to hit the little link icon and drop in your affiliate link, because what we're putting in right here is your affiliate link, right? That's your affiliate link. So now what's going to happen, we hit the perfect timing, and we're going to send this email. Now, when you first get started, you can see that this account has been open for quite a while. We're sending this today to 108,000 people. So we're probably going to get some sales just because we're sending it to so many people here on our account. When you first get started on day number 1, it's only going to be 100. Then tomorrow, because you're stacking them, it'll go to 300 leads, right? So after about 30 days, you'll have between 3,000 and 6,000 leads that you can use to email on a monthly basis, and it continues to stack. So after 2 months, you'll have between 6,000 and 12,000 leads, and it goes on and on and on, and it builds up. And the longer you're with this service, the higher your chances of getting sales are, because you're emailing it to more and more people. It's all a numbers game. The more eyeballs, the more clicks you get, the more likely you are to get some sales. So that's going to be your subject line again right there. This right here will be your email, and we're going to click send email. All right. Now, we're going to do this because you get different leads on different accounts. So we're going to go ahead and do this. I'll do it 3 more times with you because I want to show you the process that you're going to do on a daily basis. This is it. This is all that you have to do to start generating some sales into your business. But check this out. You're going to come up here. You're going to right click this, and you're going to click duplicate. Okay. Now, on this duplicated page, you are going to log out. Whatever you do, don't touch this page. Don't close X. Don't close this down. Duplicate the page. Okay. And you're going to see why. And we're going to go ahead and log in to our next account. See how I added a 1 to the end? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's exactly what I did. We come here to the mailing system. We click the mailing system. We click select all. Now, the reason we don't want to shut this tab down is because look, now we can just jump back and forth between the tabs. So we're going to copy the subject. We are going to paste that in right there. Okay. Now we are going to come down here, select everything inside of the body. We're going to copy it, and we're going to select everything in here, delete it out, and we're going to paste it in. See, now it's saved. It saved our entire email for us, and all we got to do is change the font back to 16, hit perfect timing, and click send now. We do this because it allows us to just go back and forth between the 2 tabs without having to worry about rewriting the email, making sure our link is good, and all that kind of stuff. It's all already set. So let's do this 2 more times. So let's just log out so you can see the process. We're going to log back in. We're going to go to our next account. We're going to log in, right? We go to the mailing tab, select all. And the last thing we copied was this down here. So we're going to paste that in, right? Select all of it. And let's change that to a 16 font, right? Now we just got to jump back and grab the subject line. Jump right back to the new tab on the new account and paste it in. Hit the perfect timing and send the email. All right, you see how easy this is, guys? It's super, super simple. And then we'll move on to the next one in just 1 second. So, and then that's it. You'll do this for your 5 accounts that you have set up. Try to get at least 2. Sometimes people can't afford to get 5 accounts because, it costs $1 per day per account. So if you're doing 5 accounts, you can be spending up to $150 per month. But remember, it's $1 a day. And it's not that big of a deal. All right. So if you can only afford $2 per day, just get 2 accounts. It's not a big deal. Hit the mailing system. Select all. See, this is a newer account that I've added recently. It's only got 33,000 emails on it. So it's the same process. The last thing we copied from this page, remember, was the subject. So we just paste that in. All right. And then we're going to jump back and we're going to copy that and we're going to select all that. And then we're going to hit perfect timing, right? Select all of it and change this to a font of 16. All right. And send email. Now that's your entire process for today is done. You would do this on a daily basis. Now we have a few more videos that's going to show you how to promote this $25 business over the next couple of days. We'll be adding them here to the channel. So just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, because that way you will get notified. Make sure you hit the little bell notification as well. So you'll get notified when tomorrow's video gets launched here on the account. So that way you guys can come in and watch it and see the additional things that we have for you guys to show you how to promote this amazing $25 business that grows month after month to the point which you'll eventually be able to quit your full-time job and do this on a full-time basis.
All right, guys, and that's it for day 1. The links to all the resources will be down in the description below, so make sure you get yourself signed up. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Take care.